Hello, friends. Hope you're good. So, let's talk about some beautiful spring wreaths for your front doors. One of the best ways to usher in summer days in spring wreaths, which are traditionally decorated with fresh floral, dried herbs, and a host of rustic grape wines. Unlike Christmas wreaths, which lend themselves to the holiday with evergreen, sugar-dusted berries or twinkle lights, or spring wreaths tend to adhere to fewer aesthetic requirements. In fact, all of our favorite finds cover a wide range of styles. Think a leafy wreath accented with citrus and berries, a lush loop of yellow toned tulips, and a bushy rainbow of dried floral and herbs. Otherwise, go all the way and make a few beautiful spring wreaths yourself using material you may already have on hand. We can spring a little closer with one of the most effective decorations that are capable of completely transforming your front door. You may even be tempted to leave it up all year long. Don't wait too long to figure out your spring decor scheme, though, because with all the excitement surrounding warmer weather, nothing says warm weather is upon us like lemons and blueberries. For anyone thinking this beautiful wreath will attract fruit files, worry not, it's totally artificial. This wreath is special because it's handcrafted by a woman led design team in Washington state. The creative ladies behind the dried masterpiece opted for the perfect plate that can transition from winter and right into spring, courtesy of coil brush twigs, pearly everlasting cream globe, amaranth, and flax. Handmade on a family owned farm, this wreath features blue lavender, purple Mexican sage, a chili of the pearl, golden yarrow, safflowers, and a selection of colorful herbs. Available in three soothing shades, this fox forsythia wreath is ideal for spring because in nature the microflowers are some of the first to bloom. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like the ideas in it and you will apply it if you like.